Are you a small creator? Or maybe you've been thinking about starting a channel, but you look at all the big names and think, how could I ever compete? The algorithm will just ignore me. What if I told you? You're wrong. I'm here to tell you that in 2025, the game has completely changed. If you have been waiting for a sign to start your YouTube channel, this is it. YouTube's algorithm has had a major update, and it's fantastic news for us. It's no longer just about the huge channels. The new system is actively searching for fresh content and new perspectives. That means you. Here's what's happening. The algorithm is now designed to find a good video, no matter how small the channel is, and show it to the right audience. If you make a quality video that people actually enjoy watching, YouTube will find viewers for it. You're not shouting into the void anymore. You're performing for a system that is designed to find new talent. And if that's not enough, YouTube has made it easier to start earning money. They've lowered the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. Now, you can start earning with just 500 subscribers. You only need 3,000 watch hours in a year or 3 million shorts views. This is a massive change and proves that YouTube wants you to succeed. So, what should you make? The platform is literally on your side. Stop waiting for the perfect setup or the perfect idea. Your voice is unique. Your story matters. Pick up your phone, hit record, and upload. Your audience is out there, and YouTube is ready to help you find them. Go get them.